to prepare for an IVF cycle. IVF, in vitro fertilization, is a form of assisted reproductive technology. It involves retrieving the eggs from women's ovaries, and sperms are collected from the man and fertilizing these eggs with the man's sperm outside the human body. The resulting fertilized egg is called an embryo. Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Manjunath, fertility consultant at Cloud9 Hospitals, Tanisandra, Bangalore. Before starting an IVF process, it is important to understand the whole process of IVF and to prepare yourself physically and emotionally. First and foremost thing is to find a fertility consultant. Finding a fertility consultant to a place where you live nearby will be helpful so that it will be easy for you to commute, and as it requires frequent visit to your doctor. The next step is to prepare yourself physically. Having good, nutritious, healthy diet, adequate sleep and regular exercise to maintain a body mass index within normal range is required. It is also important to take the supplements as prescribed by a doctor. Quit smoking, alcohol consumption or drug use at least 3 months before you start to plan conceiving. The next step is to understand the process of IVF. Your doctor will explain to you the whole process of IVF, how the eggs are retrieved, how the sperms are collected, how fertilization happens and embryos are formed. Do ask questions and doubts before starting the IVF process and understands the risk and complications associated with the process. Next comes the dealing with the side effects. IVF treatment involves side effects like bloating sensation, cramping or mood swings. Understand these symptoms and take adequate rest and hydrate yourself properly and medications as prescribed by the doctor to alleviate these symptoms. The next step is to prepare yourself emotionally. Going through an IVF process can be emotionally challenging. Understand the whole process and take support from your loved ones as and when required. Do go for counseling or therapies to reduce your stress and anxiety. Also have realistic expectations and understand that not all IVF treatment ends up with a successful pregnancy. Sometimes it may require multiple cycles to have a successful pregnancy. So be prepared emotionally and financially for these multiple cycles. And also do understand what is the cost of the IVF process and if any insurance can be covered for the whole process. After understanding the do's of IVF process, coming to the don'ts. First thing is, don't do any intense physical activity. Do visit your doctors regularly and never miss your appointment. Take all the medications as prescribed and do not self-medicate. Don't ignore any signs or symptoms of complications and risk. The last and foremost thing is, do not ignore your emotions.